while we're slapping some tortillas on, we're gonna go ahead and put some of the mac and cheese on. Mac and cheese stuff. We got our friend Jaden over here. Oh man, my finger's in the shot. Got him. Now we're gonna start pulling these out, rolling them up. Now he starts rolling them up like a boss because that's what we do.
Yes, sir.
Then we put a bunch of, oh my gosh, made that brutal.
Okay.
Then we start rolling it up like a boss. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say that during this. Rolling it up.
What's in the meat?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Look at that. So,
That's what.
alright, I'm already going.
We are actually going to try. I'm actually kind of nervous. Wait, which one is this?
I don't know.
This is the Spam with hot sauce, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, try it. Put that in your mouth.
Go here.
I have to do one more bite for the fans. This is actually really spicy as well as it is good. I think it's time that we do something, and then so now is there one?
No.
What else? Oh yeah, we need to try the barbecue sauce with hot dogs.
Okay.
Oh crap, they're pretty good.
Michael doesn't like them. He thinks they're disgusting.
You think they're disgusting?
KJ's just saying they're good for the fans. He really thinks it's terrible. He's screaming internally right now.
My colon is screaming at me. It's telling me to stop.
We have the sauce balls right here.
Alright.
Yeah. Jaden, why don't you show yourself? And it looks so awkward. You're dropping hot dogs all over the place. Oh yeah, probably because I have the plate. I'm sorry about that. Oh my god, the second
Alright.
that really hurts if you bite this.